Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So, yeah, we're back here. And yeah, let's get started. Anyways, remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell if you want to see more of my videos. Oh gosh. Go, 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 go. And go, 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 go. Oh, I thought I could make it. Apparently not. I'm gonna go at the very corner. Every single time. Ugh. Okay, yes, I made it. Oh my gosh. Okay, now check that. Great. Now I'm on to level 5. And this looks exciting. Should I have to go on this? Like, walk across it? I'm guessing so. Well, I'm guessing yes I do. Yes. Oh, that was scary. What if I fall? Do I just like die? Oh yeah, because there's cops there. Oh, that's a hole. Is that the sewers? Oh yes, it is. That was a really quick level, but yeah. That was probably the quickest level yet. Also guys, if you leave the game when you're already really high in this game, like when you're already really like on a like on a very high level stage, it brings you back to the beginning, so I wouldn't recommend doing that, but I kind of had to for the video because of the part 2, and yeah. Oh no. Level 7. This is prision. Oh gosh, do I have to start all over again? Okay, oh great. We got sent to after. Find a tool that will let us break one of the... I don't see anything. Is it the toilet again? No, it's not. He's like pointing to go. Why are all these open? Ooh. Nothing to see here. Does that mean there is something? Why does that one get... Oopsie. Oh. I'm gonna help you out. Yeah, I literally just grabbed it. Hee hee hee. Oh wait, wrong room. Which place is it? Where is the... Oh, it's on the other side. Get me out. Okay. Oh. Apparently, I had to get it all over again. And now I'm coming back. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now, over there. Now, don't follow. Okay. Which way do I go? That thing is over there. I don't know which way to go. I think I go this way because it literally has like a thing that looks like I should go. Oh, okay. I thought I was gonna fall in pipeworks. These levels are starting to get very, very short. Okay. 2, 1, go. Yes. That was not too hard. This one might be a little hard. Oopsies, I accidentally slid. I didn't know it brings you all the way down there like that. Oh, I have to start all over here. No, I don't. Okay, good. I did it. You just have to like go backward a little bit sometimes. Oop, I did that way too quickly. Okay, the next level after that is this. Well, the next stage, actually. I've seen this before, definitely. And it's very interesting. Oh! Why? Why? Okay. Okay, there. Good. Very concentrated on that. Now we need to go up here. Okay. In here. Oh, look. There's the thingy. Okay, that was pretty easy. Now here, I have no idea what I'm supposed to do. Is there like a certain one where I would fall through? Oh, wait, no. Oh, yeah. There's a certain one that I fall through. Unless... Oh. Wait, do I have to go fast? No. I don't. Never mind, I do. Okay, so next time I'll go super fast. Oh, okay. I had plenty more time, but that's okay. Oh gosh, I need to get to a door. So I don't even have to finish it. Okay. I don't... Oh, okay, good. It doesn't let me in that. Wait. This one. This one. This one. Okay. So I made it past that level. Now I'm on this level. And yeah. That other one I didn't feel like doing that trick. I just felt like not doing it. Why is it? What type of yellow goo have people been throwing? You know what I'm thinking. Yeah, okay. Now, I need to go. Oh, let me out. Okay. Oh, I didn't realize. Okay. Now this, and I think I just have to go through it without touching it. Okay, no, that did not work. Okay, so I finished that, and now we're on another level, and I have no idea what I'm supposed to do. Oh, we made it to the end. To the yard, only the prisoners will be the best. Yeah, they're allowed out here. The best man, you're cheating at this game. Yeah, whatever. Oh, okay. So the best prisoners. I don't think. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Oh, I wanted to shoot. Oh, whatever. I think I go over here. Oh. What's him? Oh no. And even the worst prison knocked us out. Oh gosh. How is it this easy to escape in Roblox? I might have to make a part 3. It's so long. Oh wait, does that? Oh, okay. I hope not. Okay. Okay, guys. So now we're at this place, and it's very, I don't know. So let's go down here, because I'm pretty sure this is where I'm supposed to go. Now I got outside, and I think I'm supposed to go in this helicopter. Oh. I don't know where I'm going. He did it! Okay. I'm not sure if there's any more. We've escaped prison. Let's head into HQ for our prizes. Ooh. A badge. And then this. I like this path. Whee! Wait, I'm gonna. Oh. And okay, guys, that was the end of today's video. I hope you liked it. And yeah, that's basically it. Remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell if you want to see more videos like this. And yeah, have a great day. Bye.